Trying to buy a micro SD card proved to me that Amazon is becoming a scammer's paradise. Well, certainly buying SD cards. There's a lot of fraudulent SD cards over there. I've known this for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Fraudulent SD cards in general, not just on Amazon.
Yes.
I think it was one of the reasons that Nike originally was pissed and eventually ended up leaving Amazon completely. There were knockoff sneakers and things like this. The marketplace is so vast and difficult to police. But anytime this happens to you, it's going to sting different.
It's going to hit different. It's going to sting
different. What's interesting? Well, I combined. I want to say it's going to sting, but sting different. I think I co-opted, I absorbed the saying of hit different. And I found the negative equivalent because hit different means good. Sting different is the same but bad. Yesterday we were talking about 2 thumbs up versus 2 thumbs down. Sting different and hit different on each edge of the spectrum.
Yeah.
Because if somebody tells you, if you tell me, yo, I got scammed on Amazon, I'm like, damn, that stings. To me, I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
But then it stings you different because it hits you right in the wallet.
It's like another layer.
It's another level to it.
Yeah.
That's all.
I get it.
So anyway, what happened over here? Is it exactly what we expect? Last weekend, I attempted to buy a micro SD card from my Steam Deck from Amazon. Yeah, you're going to need one of those. Games are enormous and the storage isn't great on those things. Okay, that's not the most interesting start to any story you've probably read, but what should have been a quick and easy search and purchase instead turned into a rather demoralizing experience, and one which made me realize how bad the situation with scam products on Amazon has become. When you search for micro SD cards, the results mix cards from well-known brands with unbranded cards that have prices and capacities that seem too good to be true and sadly are. This scam has been going on forever. A 5 terabyte SD card. And you're like, really? And then you order it and it's formatted 20 gigs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's hard to really check. Is it like a resale thing?
What do you mean? I mean, to all parties involved, it looks like what it is. And you can't expect the retailer to unbox and test every single thing. And it looks like what it is because ultimately, whether it's real or fake, or I should say, whether it is the product it claims to be, comes down to a stupid sticker, a label, whatever the number it says, if it's 128 or... So in this case, I guess you got to make sure you're not buying from a third-party seller on Amazon, for one, step one, if possible. And then you're looking for certain brands. But, yeah, it's out of control. You have some cards promising 1 terabyte of storage for the same price as 64 gigs. Obviously, not real. This is the kind of thing online where too good to be true. This is like a healthy amount of skepticism. Don't think you're experiencing a magic moment in which you're going to get the best deal ever in SD cards, and it just so happened to find you.
Yeah.
A little bit of skepticism helps you look in, helps you see a couple of red flags and avoid.
And SD cards are just like little bits of plastic. Very easy to transport. It's not very hard,
Look at the post. Look at the listing over there. That's what it looks like. You see, $26.
Yeah, these things are tiny.
And you see how they did the colors the same as SanDisk.
Right.
Right, but it just says memory card. It just says memory card, but you feel like you're looking at a SanDisk, and you're like 26 for 1 terabyte micro SD. Let's go. And then your excitement gets the better of you, and you're checking out the cart, and then you're doomed and you're dead. So don't do that. Now, as you can see, in some cases, you can catch a review that can warn you and help you out. But I presume people want Amazon to do more in this case. And Amazon's a big company. Maybe they can. I don't know. Maybe they can ban people quicker or something like this. But I really think that this scam is going to be a tough one to weed out because this scam will go from Amazon to eBay. It'll go into the third-party sellers on Best Buy. It'll go into the third-party sellers on everywhere. Walmart. It'll find a way. But you want to go to a reputable retailer, ideally not a reseller on one of those sites. That's step one. And then make sure you're getting the brand that you think you're getting, and that you're paying the price you should be paying. Do a price comparison to recognize that, oh, this is too good to be true. Leave it alone.
For sure.